Hey guys, what's going on? Corby here. Welcome back to Corby Q. We're going to try something a little different today. Do a nice quick short video. Got this Nourish Bowl, I think it's called, that I got from the supermarket. I'm going to give it a try, give you a taste test, tell you what I think. Let's take a look at it.
Just don't let it go, 'cause it ain't no getting off till we get.
All right, here it is. It's called the Nourish Bowl. It is Sesame Sriracha. It's got some broccoli, cabbage, carrots. Well, you can read it. Let's take a look at it, read the instructions, and we'll give it a microwave. Or radiate it with a bunch of radiation. Here it is. Let's. It says remove film, combine ingredients, and cover with paper plate or paper towel. Place in microwave, heat 3 to 4 minutes, mix and enjoy. Go ahead and open this up, do what it says, follow the instructions exactly because you don't want to do it wrong. Here's the sauce. Here is the other pouch. I don't quite know what it is. We give that a stir and we will nuke it. 4 minutes later, out of the microwave. That little, not the sauce packet, but the other one, that was the rice. So I'm going to give this a quick stir, and we will give it a taste test. Try to get a little bit of everything. And I'll turn this around and we'll take a look at it. Here we go. Okay. Still got some crunch to it after the microwave. Got some kick to it. Can taste the rice. The Sesame Sriracha sauce is really good. Sorry about the light. It's cheap lens flare, I guess. I don't know. Let me turn around. That's really good. Okay, it's called a Nourish Bowl by Mann's. Sesame Sriracha. Really, really good. Really quick, really easy. Gonna go finish watching some football. I think I might add some extra sriracha right from the bottle. You guys take care. Keep doing what you do. Talk to you later.